trout sitting right here.
And then with that bomber, I'd go rolling through the
Oh, salmon, salmon, salmon. Jesus Christ. This is a big fish. There we go. Thanks. Oh yeah. Fuck, it's wrapped again. This happened to me in the summer. Jesus Christ. He was moving towards me and I couldn't reel fast enough. Salmon.
No, it's a big salmon. Didn't he jump? No. There it is. It's a good fish, man.
Yeah, it's look at my lines wrapped. Look.
Oh, that's cute.
Should I loosen the drag off a little? Just because of that? Jesus Christ, he's on the bottom. I lost the butt on my rod and I can't put it against my chest very much. Jeez. Oh, stop doing that. It's creaking. The rod's creaking. I don't like that.
I don't know if you're getting a jump out of her.
He is not moving.
Oh, it's a big fish. You can see when it jumps. It's a good fish. What do you think? Small flies?
Seems like it, eh? Toss boom. Try it. Oh, Jesus.
Here.
Come here, Chris. Or
Gonna net him or are you good? Gonna net him?
Chris, you gotta.
He's ready.
He's getting ready there.
Yeah, let's get in there. Don't wanna lose him.
Here. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'll try to bring him to you.
It's gonna be a process.
Ready? Alright, no.
Yeah.
I don't want to yank him too hard.
Don't rush it, man. Don't rush it. You're gaining nothing by rushing that.
True.
You obviously have him hooked good,
I hope.
so don't stress out. It's not ready yet, man. Nice rocket, though. It's a good fish. See, you pound that pool over and over, right?
Yep. Stop.
Did you see it? Did it come up for your fly? Or do you have a sink tip?
I saw him flash. I have a sink tip though, but I didn't really see him at all until I felt them tight.
It's okay.
I hate the head shakes, man. Oh, Jesus. He's over on the bottom. He's going down river slowly. If you want to go in front of me here, trying to turn his head. Go down here. Go to the right here. Is it in his? Yeah. Ready? I'm gonna start walking backwards. Over here. It's in it. Look at that. Yeah, I see that. That's sick.
Yeah. That's cool. That's the second one.
Ready? Oh, Jesus. Ready, Chris? Here, so I'm gonna lift his head up. You put your net in the water already. Ready? Nope, he doesn't want to. not doing me a favor here.
That's crazy with that angle.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
Don't like that at all. Ready, Chris? He's not ready.
It's not ready, like I said. You give it.
He sees me, he's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be the trend. It's they're big for a reason. Give it a minute. You might even get one more. Start rolling.
He's rolling, Chris.
Yeah. Okay.
Come over here.
Just
Here.
walk backwards.
Yeah,
Just
I'll
walk
go this way.
backwards and pull her in. Just nice and slow and steady. And then
If he
you
kicks.
gotta do like get your net in the water, Chris, and do it right quick when she does come in close. See, now she's ready.
Not yet. Wait.
Hard to see too.
Jesus, the arm's starting to hurt.
Right on the bottom, I don't want to start whacking at him.
If you go in the water a little there, here, ready? No, no, not yet. Do you want to try?
No. Chris will get it.
What are you doing? You got
I'm
closer.
scared.
That's what I mean. It's you can't rush it. Finicky.
God, why is he still moving away from me?
Good fish.
Oh, it's a
He's getting tired.
nice one. Start dragging it slow. What pound test do you have on?
It's like 14.7, but it's realistically like 12 or
Yeah,
10.
okay. If you're gonna lose a man, I think you would have lost it. It's hooked good. I can see it. Might even be a buck.
Ready? No.
Okay, now.
He still wants to go though. Oh my God.
There you go. Start dragging in like that. One steady motion.
God damn.
There you go. Okay.
I was trying to hold him to
You
you.
gotta get his head out of the water.
I know. I'm pulling up. I'm pulling up right when he comes to try to get it off.
You gotta do nice and steady. Don't break him off now when he comes to the bar.
Yeah.
Stay once in now. There you go.
Here, keep it in the water there. Keep it in the water.
Yeah. Let's see him release. Nice fish.